everybody. Welcome to Super Science with Tina. This virtual enrichment has been brought to you by Center for Success. So today, how do we make germs run away? And I think Cody wants to know too. You say hi? Okay, so first thing we want to do is, in our scientific method, is ask a question. Okay, how do germs go away? And what does it look like? So that's number one in our scientific method. Number two is hypothesis. Make an educated guess. I think that soap loosens germs, loosens the grip, like, just imagine it's like really stuck. I think the soap helps loosen it. It has a little abrasion in there that helps lift it off your skin, and that the water just washes everything down the drain. That's my hypothesis. 3, gather your materials. Need water in a dish or bowl, pepper, and just soap. And you know this part. Conduct the experiment. Just do it. So, to conduct the experiment, we are going to take a bowl of water or a plate that has a little bit of a lip to it so the water doesn't slosh off. Okay. Sorry. So hopefully everybody could see that. Then you're going to take your pepper and you're going to sprinkle it all around. I'm going to do both the bowl and the plate. So you see the pepper floating around in there? Okay, so when we just take our, bare hand and we touch the surface of the water with the pepper, oh, I got pepper or germs on my hands. So just yeah. I got little pepper sprinkles on my fingers now. Okay, so no effect, right? Get the water, you got the germs or the pepper sprinkles, flakes. Now what if I take a little dish soap and put it on my finger? So now I have a little soap on my finger, and I'm going to do this again. Oh, I really hope you guys can see that. All the pepper flakes or germs just scattered and ran to the edges of the plate. Hopefully you can see that. Let's try it with the bowl. So I put my finger in. No change. But I do have some pepper flakes on my finger. Now I'll use the soap. Soap on my finger. Put it inside. Whoa. The pepper flakes, AKA our germs, ran away. That was a very easy and fun experiment. So we did the experiment. Now it's time for number 5 in our scientific method. Collect data. Observe how the pepper flakes on the surface of the water, just like germs, and go on the surface of your skin, and particles of dirt or whatever go on the surface of your skin, they were on the surface of the water. One touch with, just a plain old finger or object, nothing happened. Okay? The germs or the pepper flakes were not affected. But dip your finger in some soap and then touch it, and they run away. So that was number 5 in our scientific method. 6 in our scientific method is analyze your results. Look over your data and make connections. When soap is added to the water, it lowers the tension of the water and breaks down the water molecules on the surface, which causes them to run away from the point of the soap. Okay. So our final step in our scientific method is our conclusion. So we had ask a question, form a hypothesis, gather your materials, conduct the experiment, just do it. And then we had our 5th, which was collect your data. 6 is analyze your results. And our final step, number 7, is conclusion. Share out what you've learned. Okay? So if you revisit your educated guess or your hypothesis, you can see if you were correct. Okay, so my hypothesis said make an educated guess. I think soap loosens the grip of germs and water helps wash them away. Let's see if I was correct or if it went along with it somehow. Okay, so share out your results. Soap pulls unwanted materials and germs off your skin, and water helps wash it away. So our guess was correct. And I also want to add that rubbing. That's why you want to sing the birthday song or Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. The rubbing of your hands really helps the water and the soap get in those crevices and those areas where, it's just not going to come off with water or soap. It's going to need help. So we want to make sure that we do our hands like this, that we do them like this. And here's one that I learned, going like this. To get the inside of your palms. Then you want to do this. And then you want to do a thorough cleaning. Okay? So, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have these things at home. All you need is water, a bowl or a dish, pepper, and dish soap. So I hope that you try this at home and maybe share it. This is relatively easy, nothing that can hurt you, but you might want to get your parents' permission first before you start climbing up there and getting into the pepper and getting the soap and water. And do it with your parents. And then share it with your little brothers and sisters and cousins. They will be amazed. Okay? So that's it for Super Science with Tina today. Thank you for joining us today, sharing your time with Center for Success. We are grateful for the opportunity to be a part of your life. It's great to share a new form of community with you. Bye.